The DML language. While the DDL language is meant for defining objects in the database, the DML language is meant for manipulating the data within the objects. So the first command of this group is insert. It helps us insert the data into the tables. One way of doing it is by inserting into the table data from another table. So we use the select and specify the columns that we need to insert, and also specify the source table from which we want to take data and insert it in the first table. Also, we can use this condition. The second way to insert data is by specifying the values manually. We can insert data into the table. We specify the columns and then the values for each column. This way we can also automate the process by creating these statements from a text file. The script will put the data into these statements and then insert it into the tables. If you don't specify any column in the statement, then the DBMS will think that we want to insert data into every column of the table. So by specifying the columns, we can insert data in only some of the columns, and if we don't specify the columns, then we have to insert data into all the table's columns. The second command is update. It helps us change the data within a table. These are the keywords that we use. We use the keyword update for updating the table, and use the set keyword in order to specify the columns that we want to change and the values that we want these columns to take. And we also can specify a where condition. I will give you some examples in the exercises section. The third and last DML command is delete. It helps us delete rows from tables. The basic structure of the command is delete from table name where the condition is true. So we can also use the condition in the delete statement. So now, as promised, let's see some examples in the next video.